Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'm gonna answer a question. Can you connect your own phone to RAZER Edge Kishi V2 Pro? So, let's check. First, disconnect this tablet. It's kinda hard. Okay. Now, take your own phone and just connect it. This goes here and this goes here. As you can see, it automatically opened the Nexus app, and yeah, it is possible. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next one.